We bring you the show today from High Street Phoenix in Mumbai. On Showcase, we've covered a number of startups from the entertainment industry to the internet space and everything in between. Today, we take a look at a company that's managed to strike common ground between companies ranging from Mahindra to Goldman Sachs. Well, we won't tell you any more. Charitra Singh takes us through the details.
As the temperature rises, as the polar ice melts, as the ozone layer thins, as species become extinct, the warning signs become more evident. These are the evils of pollution.
And as we face these evils, there is one company in India that has finally decided to take a stand. Not only that, they've managed to rope in some biggies to start a cleaner environment movement.
The world today has recognized the importance of finding alternate sources of energy to replace the rapidly depleting fossil fuel resources. Many across the globe are focusing on producing greener fuel.
What if our children could never experience the joy of dancing in the rain?
Earth 100 is one such collaboration of some of the biggest names in India to approach the problem, but with a difference.
The joy of running barefoot on grass.
There was a client in Bangalore called Goldman Sachs, and they gave us a very interesting proposition. They went ahead and asked us, saying, how do you go ahead and reduce the carbon footprint of our location in Bangalore? So we went and did a lot of research and a lot of ideation, and the final idea that was picked was an idea to run a commercial fleet of vehicles for Goldman Sachs which consumed no diesel at all.
Earth 100 presents.
Say hello to the next generation invention by Earth 100, the biofuel. And what is biofuel really? Biofuel is a renewable liquid fuel coming from biological raw material and has been proved to be a good substitute for fossil fuel. It makes 100% biofuel and not blended biodiesel. The plants used are non-edible feedstock such as jatropha, karanje and ambadi. This fuel results in zero carbon and zero sulfur dioxide emissions, which means up to 78% less carbon dioxide emissions over the entire life cycle. But what is the difference in biofuel and normal diesel?
On a technical basis, nothing. Any fuel which can be consumed in a vehicle called an internal combustion engine has to have certain properties. It has to have something called, at this temperature it will burn. This is the heat it will give. This is the energy it will give. So these are the characteristics of any fuel. The only real difference between biodiesel and normal diesel is where it comes from.
Earth 100 believes that a robust economic model that ensures livelihood for the common man and does not hamper with food security is a viable solution to the fuel problem. And that's their vision. The company was founded in 2007 and is currently churning revenue of $67,000. The company works mainly on three revenue models. First being the fuel supply chain model. Here they sell the car and offer the entire infrastructure with it, which means the post-sale servicing, warranty and of course the fuel. The second revenue model would be leasing. Here Earth 100 leases out the cars to corporations. The leasing has to be for a minimum of 1 year. However, 3 years is preferable and the corporation has to lease at least 10 cars. The third revenue model would be intellectual property. Here they offer consultation on biofuel, how to set up a biofuel chain, where to set up the plant, who to look at investors, what feedstock to use and what kind of investment to put in.
Now, Earth 100 has been very lucky where their investment is concerned, since their first client, Goldman Sachs, also happened to be their investor. They started with 1 lakh of rupees and from day one showed profit because of that investment. Seems like a fairy tale, right? But it wasn't all that easy.
We've gone through our own bit of adulterated fuel and fuel not working. The first lot which you get is brilliant. The second lot you get is absolutely bakwas. So we had to go ahead and figure out a way where we can go ahead and make sure that fuel quality is tested. Everyone loved the theory and then they said, yeah, hogwash, you know, it'll never happen. And then the car came. Mindsets. Will the car blow up is my biggest problem, which I've always faced with people. Others was getting the partners on board. It's kind of insane, but big corporations, especially 5 of them if you want to put them together, just takes, scheduling a meeting with 5 top people takes 3 months.
Despite all the hurdles, Earth 100 is committed to discovering and promoting biofuels produced from indigenous varieties of plants that can be grown on the wasteland of the country, and aims to be an integrated solutions provider for it.
I'd like to end this with our tagline, and it's very important to Earth 100. The tagline of Earth 100 says, we do not inherit the planet from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children.
Scaling up is the next thing on their agenda, and in order to do that, they plan to go national and are already involving different state governments in their various projects.